Hi, Lila. Hi. Mommy's taping you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy's taping Lila. Who's this?
Mommy.
That's right. Can you say Daddy?
Dad.
Daddy. Can you say Jesus? Lila.
Easy.
Jesus. What does a puppy say? Woof woof. What does a kitty say? Meow. Very good. What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Cow says moo. What does a horse say? What does a horse say? Neigh. Very good. What does a chicken say? Cluck, cluck. What does a rooster say? Yeah, very good. What about a duck? What's a duck say? Very good. What does a sheep say? Ba. Very good. Can you say amen? Very good. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Yeah.
Good job.